Guys, good morning. Today is April 22, 2020. Mom's 70th birthday. Okay, and one of the dish that I'm going to prepare is garlic buttered shrimp. She requested me this one. So, I already cleaned the shrimp. I removed the antenna. And the intestine also has been removed, and it's already here. And I chose not to remove the head, because I like to eat them, this head part. Yeah. So I use a soda to marinate the shrimp. In Philippines, the Sprite, this is the famous one for marinating. So, and marinate the shrimp for about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you have a lot of time, you're not in a hurry, it would be nice if you marinate the shrimp to 15 minutes, you soak it for about 15 minutes. So, next step will follow after 15 minutes. Okay, guys? After marinating, after a few minutes, I made it 15 minutes so that the flavor of the soda will soak. I'm going to speak English because for my other viewers who doesn't understand Filipino language. So, i-drain ko siya, guys. Na-marinate ko siya for more than 15 minutes actually. So, para manunuot yung lasa ng soda sa shrimp. So, i-drain ko siya, guys. I'm going to drain it. So, the soda will be, need to be thrown. Okay? Like this. The garlic sliced into tiny pieces, and then butter, and I have also seasoning. I like to add seasoning and pepper. These are using parsley sprinkled to the butter shrimp, just to add vibrant colors, guys. So since we are locked down because of this COVID-19, so I just use a few leaves of malunggay like this one, and slice it into tiny. So I just sprinkle it on the butter shrimp. So guys, now my how do you call this, cooking pot is ready. No oil, because I'm going to use, of course, butter. Okay, this is the cheese, the butter, and then this is the, okay guys, this is now the butter, and then even the butter is not yet melted. This is now the garlic. Sorry for the noise, guys. My roaster at the backyard. Annoying. So keep the heat low. Okay, guys. Okay. Wait until the garlic turns to brown. Okay, guys. So this is now the shrimp. Make sure nga mabalance, so keep doing this. And make sure that if you see the shrimp starting to change the color into orange. Be careful, guys, because if you overcook it, the taste would not be as tasty as you wish, as you ano yung gusto mong lasa, hindi siya makakamit dahil na overcook. Time also to change the set of the fire a little bit higher. Okay, guys. And then you can add pepper. Okay, pepper. Pepper to make it spicy a little bit. And of course, my seasoning granules to add flavor, more flavor. This is optional, guys, okay? And these tiny leaves, guys, to add color, vibrant color. And continue stir, guys. Okay, guys, this is now my garlic buttered shrimp. Hope my mom will love this. Thanks for watching, guys. Another dish for my mom's birthday, chicken adobo. And spaghetti, of course, long life, as what others told me, that every celebration, especially birthday, you need to have spaghetti. We also have choco bread for spaghetti, and lechon manok, and cupcakes, of course, because we don't have available stores for cakes.
Dari action yang sedang ada di Kamar Halu Remix.
As you can see, guys, she's dancing full of joy, and it's obvious that she's happy of my dish, you know. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and once again, I'd like to say happy birthday to our mom. She's 70 years old today. I love you, mama mo. Tatamigs. Sige ma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy
God
birth-
bless you. Happy 70th birthday. Good health. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Padla. More birthdays to come and more years to come. And may you have a good health every day. God bless you and I love you so much, Lola.